Okay guys, so let's install Django now. So this is how we install Django. Pip install Django, and when you hit enter like this, then it will install Django latest version. But I want to install Django 3.1 version. Okay, so when you say equal, then the version of the Django you want to install, then it will create the specific version of Django. Okay, so you guys also just go with the 3.1. okay, so let me just hit enter. So this will take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed, but not more than 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so let's wait for that. Alright, so now the Django is installed. So now if you want to see what is installed with the Django, then just say pip freeze. Now you can see all the this Django 3.1 is installed, and ASGIREF also installed, and PYTZ SQL pass, and all those things are just the Django dependencies. It will just come with the Django installation. Okay, so now you can see only this much packages installed inside the virtual environment. So now you can imagine how useful this virtual environment is. Okay, so if we did not create virtual environment, then these packages would have gone to the global scope of the computer. Then it would be very difficult to notice what is installed for our project. Okay, everything would have been messed up, right? So that's why, so we are in a right place now. So now this is the time to create a Django project. Okay, so for now we have created Django, for now we have created a installed Django, but we did not create any project, right? So we have access to the Django commands now. Okay, so just say Django -admin space, then start project, and then say the project name. Okay, so whatever you wish, you want, like you can give, but for me it is a great card. Okay, and let me just give a space and hit a dot. Okay, so what this dot will do is it will create a project inside the current directory. Okay, so if you don't give the dot, then it will create a multiple folder then the project. Okay, like it will be a little bit of confusing. So that's why I like to add one dot here, so everything will be properly managed. Okay, all right, so hit enter now. Okay, so as soon as you hit enter, it has created a Django project. Okay, just go to this great card folder here, and you can see the great card project is created here. Okay, so this is the Django files and the manage.py file. Okay, so now we are good to run the Django basic command, that is run server. Okay, so let us go to the git bash here and say python manage.py run server. All right, so go to this 127.1.0.0.1 8000. This is the port number, and hit enter. All right, so the installation worked successfully. Okay, so in the next lecture we will remove this page. Okay, we don't want this page. Instead we need to run our a custom page. All right, custom home page. Okay, so I'll see you next.